Hello, I am Emmanuel de los Santos, and this is my sales presentation. The company I was assigned for this presentation was General Electric. General Electric is a company that was incorporated in 1892. It specializes in electrical consumer goods, and they have been vastly reliable for their customers for a very long time. Their products range from aircraft engines to home appliances and financial services. For this presentation, I chose to mainly focus on General Electric's laundry appliances. Their washers and dryers have been trusted for years as they guarantee durability, something their competing brands can't really offer. I myself own General Electric appliances, and I'm very happy with them. I was assigned Ms. Shanna Lambast as my buyer for this presentation. She's a very ambitious and professional woman. Her trust is not easy to gain, and she is quite a guarded person. She demands others to gain her trust through professionalism and knowledge. As you can tell, Ms. Lambast does not seem like an easy person to sell to, but with the right strategy, her business can be attained. My ultimate sales strategy to give to Ms. Lambast is completely listening to her, making her feel like a top priority, giving her what she would demand before she even asks for it. Like I mentioned before, she's a very difficult buyer, and she's very strict. Therefore, I must be profoundly knowledgeable in the products that I am selling to her, and I have to answer any questions that she might have. Doing so, I believe that Ms. Lambast will come around and be a constant buyer for General Electric laundry appliances. This was my presentation. Thank you.